I'm just Generic Redstone Genius, and this is the TNT Minecart Nuclear Missile, but for Bedrock. You can find the link to the Java version in the description. The two things had to be redesigned. The way the flying machine works, because it works differently from Java and Bedrock, and when I couldn't use TNT minecarts in it, because it doesn't work the same way in Bedrock. To start it, we update this observer, and what will happen when it hits is that it'll compress, which allows this dispenser up front to release a bunch of TNT that's in it, causing an explosion. It unfortunately isn't quite as powerful as Java, but it's still a really good missile. Let's hop right into the tutorial. Okay, so notice I'm in Java Edition now. This design doesn't work in Java Edition, but I'm just in Java Edition to do the tutorial because it's kind of clunky to play in mobile, so I'm just going to do it in Java. However, if you just follow around in Bedrock, you'll be perfectly fine. So, what we're going to need is 6 slime blocks, a sticky piston, 5 observers, 2 normal pistons, a dispenser, 2 random blocks that are building blocks, 1 transparent block such as glass, 24 TNT or less. The reason I say 24 TNT or less is because around the time that the first TNT will explode is when the 24th one gets out. So if you do any more, it'll just get blown up inside the dispenser and will get wasted. Like the item will get blown up inside the dispenser. And we'll see some blocks to tower up. So we're going to start by towering up. And we're going to place 2 downwards facing observers. Let's say we're going that way. So we place the 2 downwards facing observers, we're going that way. We'll break this top block here and these blocks. Then we'll place a normal piston facing this way, a slime block, a sticky piston facing the opposite direction, 2 slime blocks going up, then your transparent block must go here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go up an observer and do a normal piston. And from here what we're going to do is a observer facing this way into the glass, and an observer facing this way, which is going to set it off. But it won't do that in Java, so don't worry about that. I mean, it won't do that in Bedrock, so don't worry about that. Then what we're going to do from here is place a normal block, 2 slime blocks, sorry, 1 slime block, go down a block, to the side block, then we're going to place a block here, place our dispenser, fill it with TNT, and this won't be an issue in Bedrock, it just is an issue in Java, but then once we're done that, we'll set it off, and that's how you make it work. So yep, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you decide to build this into your Bedrock world. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I've been the Generic Redstone Genius.